Tudia Cases for the iPhone XS Max. So I want to give them a special shout out for sending these over. Let's dive in. We'll take a look at these right now. First up, we have the Tudia Lin, as you can see. So let's open this one. Just some information about the case. Take a look at that. Put that to the side. And let's open this. This is the case itself. TPU case. Check out the inside. That says Tudia Lin, and you do have a pattern on the inside. Slap the XS Max in. Check it out. Phone slides in nice and easy. From the front, this case is black, so it blends in perfectly with the iPhone XS Max display. Flip it over, it's gonna look like this. Now you do have this design here. It says Tudia on the bottom, carbon fiber top and bottom here. And the sides here are ridged, so you have a good grip here on the sides. Let's check out the power button. Nice and easy. No issues with the power button. And let's check out the volume. Same thing. Nice and easy press, nice and clicky, very nice. Let's look at the slider. Access to that, no issues. Taking a look at the bottom of the case. Take a look at that for yourself. Checking out the front lip of this case. You have a tiny, tiny, tiny front lip here. So I would recommend rocking a tempered glass with this one. And let's check out the wireless charging. Should work no problem. And it does. Next up is the Tudia Merge for the iPhone XS Max. Open this. Information about the case, dual layer, etc., which we'll check out right now. This is the case itself, rose gold colorway. On the inside, you do have a pattern here, and it says Tudia Merge right there. Take the XS Max, put it in, check it out. Taking a look at the buttons. Nice and clicky button. Volume buttons, nice and clicky also. Very nice. And alert slider, access to that, no problem. And the sides of the case is ridged on each side, as you can see, giving you a nice grip. Since this case is rose gold and the iPhone, or this iPhone is in the gold colorway, see how that looks? That looks pretty nice. On the bottom of the case, checking out the cutouts, take a look for yourself. Tudia branding on that part of the case. And you do have a design here on the top and bottom. You have a glossy stripe here on the bottom, so you can see right there. Opening for your camera, nice and recessed. So if you drop this phone, lands on the back, camera lens should be protected. This is a two-part case, so the inside is TPU, and back here is a hard polycarbonate. Overall, the fit and finish of this case is very nice, feels good to hold. And checking out the front lip, you get a little bit of front lip here. So you lay this phone flat on the table, glass shouldn't touch the surface. You have a tempered glass, even better. And finally, let's check out the wireless charging. Should work with this one, and it does. So if you're interested in these cases from Tudia, I'm gonna go ahead and put links in the description down below. And once again, shout out to Tudia for sending these over. Thanks for watching. Peace out.